Hello, this is Catherine Chadwick, Project Manager for Ballen Brands. Today I'm going to show you where to go in your BREW settings to change the text links or wording above your main search, and also where you would change that code if you wanted to adjust it from the omnibar to the IDX Broker Advanced Search option, quick search. So you want to be logged in to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, you go to BREW and Hero Element. Scroll down until you see the box under the photo that says Hero Content. This is where the code is placed for either the IDX Broker Quick Search, which is what we see here, or the omnibar search, which is a thinner search that does not include the extra criteria of price and bedrooms. So whichever one you have, that's what goes in this box. If you have the omnibar, it'll have a short code that says IDX Omnibar, and that's how you'll know that's what you have. If you see a little icon like this, and you'll have a script code, that is the quick search from your IDX broker. Below that, you'll see where you can change the text for the primary button, which is the one on the left, or the secondary button, which is the one on the right. And you can also place the URL to the page that you want attached to that text. So when someone clicks on either of these buttons, it will take them to the link that you have set for that text. So I hope you have found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and come back for more tips for your IDX broker and BREW.